Alright class, I want to make a quick video just to kind of show you how to use word art. You're going to be taking the words that you highlighted with the Martin Luther King's I Have a Dream speech, and you're going to be creating some word art with those important words that you highlighted from yesterday. So that's why I wanted you to hold on to it. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the link that's found on classroomwordart.com. That's going to lead you to here. And then what you're going to do next is go to Create Now. Okay, and then it's going to pop up something like this, and it has some words already made in there. You're just going to go type over those. So I just came up with 10 words that may or may not have made it to your list. Yours is going to be different than mine, but I just want to show you for an example. Maybe I have the word liberty, word color, the word equality. Remember, these are words that either represent the speech or were important. You saw them over and over again. Maybe the word dream. I can just hit the enter button and it'll make a new row for me. I saw the word freedom ring quite a bit, the phrase. You can see I'm keeping it short, either one or two words. Character. Whoops, I have dreamed twice. But it talks about God. And for this word, I know the word children's in there. It may not be important, but I got to come up with the 10th word real quick just to show you. Okay, so let's say you've come up with your words. So here's your 10. You might have 12 or 15, and that's more than fine. What you're going to do is you are then going to, you can come over here and mess with some things and make it look different. The size, I can type in, if I want a word bigger, quite a bit larger, I'm going to adjust it from 1. 1's just your normal font. It's not going to be very large. Let's say I see dream a lot. I want to make it large. I might make that a 3. And liberty, a 2, and it's going to reorder it based on from largest to smallest. So as you'll see them move around, so be careful with that. God is 2, respect is 3, and so on. So I can just kind of play with the sizes here. Here you can play with the colors, and if I click default, if I click that, it'll come up with just a different palette of colors that I can choose from. Okay, when I'm done, when I find a color I like, I can hit apply, or I can go back to default. I'm going to just cancel that for now. Well, you know what I'll do is I'll go ahead and choose a color. Let's say red, apply. Let's say I want God to be in the blues, so I come down to the blues, click a blue, apply. So you have quite a bit to choose from. Freedom ring, let's make that kind of yellowish. I can even slide along here as it changes. It changes the colors of the, or I can make a pre-made color, pre-chosen, apply, children, apply. Okay, and the rest can be default. So that is one way I can adjust. I can also adjust angles. I can make fonts different. There's just so many options for it. And even down here, I can play with the shapes. If I want it to be a cloud, that's fine. I can come down here and make different choices. Let's say I want people, and I like this one. It's hand touching hand. I think that's pretty symbolic. Joining hands. So I'll choose that. Okay. Oh, just so many options. I'm going to go back up to where, let's say I'm done. Finally, I'm done playing with all the options. It can take you a while. You just play around and have fun with it. If you come up here to the word visualize, it'll take a minute, but then it'll create what you've made. Okay, so you see the words that I've put in there and in different colors. Okay, so what you're going to do is you are going to download it. Download it as a standard JPEG. Okay, so there it is, wordart.jpg. Okay, And then what you're going to do is go up to Gmail, and you're going to email me. So you'll go to Gmail, go to Compose. Okay. You're going to type my name. Should come up. Okay. Subject line, you're going to put MLK Word Art, and then your name. So just put your name there, okay? Then, to attach it, you'd hit the little attach file. It's a little paper clip down here. I'm going to go to Downloads, and there it is right there. It's going to be called Word Art. I'm going to double click it. Whoops. Double click it. It's attaching right now, and then hit Send. So there it is. MLK Word Art. You can put your name, and then it's there for me. I can pull it up. I can print it out. We're going to do something cool with it. So that is your final step. Hope you guys have a great rest of your afternoon. Have a good one. Bye-bye.